today we're gonna go get some headers for the. No, we're gonna go install some headers on the Cheyenne. It's outside. You can barely see it though. But we're gonna go install some headers. We're gonna see how that shit sounds. Right now it has a dump exhaust. I'm not sure what kind of exhaust it has, but we bought it like that. But we'll see how it sounds with the headers, and we might get a side exit exhaust. No more dump, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention. We're gonna go take this ramp to go test fit the 22s onto the other project truck, on the other project ramp. So we're gonna test fit these welds onto it, see how it fits. Maybe if it needs a fatter tire, or I don't know, a smaller rim with a fatter tire, or the same rim with the same tire. We'll see.
We have some headers here.
Some good headers. No mames, de aquí que las abras a la verga.
Es que tiene grapas, güey. Bien putos.
Oh, and we're gonna fix this shit. We're gonna go fix this shit. Cause LA potholes are not it.
Casi te corta el dedo, pendejo.
Pura verga.
Pura
No mames. How many fucking grapas?
No mames.
Smell like quemado, ¿no?
Sí, güey, tu troca se está quemando.
No mames. Oh, I thought it was another box. Sheesh. So guys, this is how they look. They look pretty whack. It comes with their gaskets already, but he said, oh shit, it came with spark plugs.
Those what?
Spark plug wires. No. Yeah, spark plug wires.
What the fuck?
What else did it come with? Unboxing. We're doing an unboxing. Oh shit. I'm gonna keep these with myself.
What's that?
Huh? The extensions. What are they called? Fucking spark plug wires. The V-band. Yeah, guys. So these are Speed Engineering headers. Honestly, I never got headers for none of my cars. Only like Hondas back in the day, but nothing compared to this. But we'll see what difference it makes. Honestly, probably not a big difference right now, huh?
Dude, that's gonna be fat.
Oh, but like the loudness is gonna be different, but like the fast until we tune it and like 85 and you know. But all right, back to what we're doing. Put these inside, yeah. We're trying on the welds from the white ram to the white ram.
Exactly.
What do you think? How's it gonna look?
That's gonna look sick, trust.
Think so? Oh. Yeah.
Honestly, I think 22s. Yeah. Because remember we were saying 20s?
Yeah.
Nah, wait, I think 22s.
I should have so sick if it was drop. I think we might go with the 20s all around, and with a drag radio in the back, or some Mickey Thompson in the back. Yeah, I think we might go 20s all around. 20s all around with some
fat tires.
3 hours later.
That's just gonna die. Is she complicated or what?
No, it's fine. It's a yes or no, but not a somewhat.
They don't sound bad actually.
Nah, it sounds perfect.
It sounds perfect.
But we don't know until we step on it, pa. New level performance. Este se bañó allá adentro.
Yeah.
Mira
Homie
cómo
already
salió.
let me borrow his restroom. I showered real quick.
La verga.
But actually, let me have the camera, bro. You're the one that drove it.
man.
You're the one that drove it.
Yeah, but no estoy bañado ni nada.
Ah, no
Tú sí te
mames.
bañaste,
We
¿sabes?
just worked.
No me dejó adentro.
We just
New
worked.
level.
What do you think? What do you think of the truck?
Nah, well, that's just chilling. This is loud as fuck though. 1 through 20. 1 through 20. What
A la
the fuck?
verga, ya subiste 10.
Nah, going like from 1 through 20 miles per hour, it's just chilling. Ya una vez pasando 20 miles per hour, that shit gets loud as fuck inside.
It does?
The pops are loud as fuck too.
Pops?
Going in gear first and second, loud. Louder than what they were before. But
Okay, okay.
that
Pop-
shit, I don't know, I think you might need to
Exhaust?
yeah, to fucking tone it down a little. It's hard as fuck, it sounds deep. Turn it on right now while pumping the gas.
Oh yeah. I actually have done that before. Let's check out the headers. Come on.
Hi everyone, I'm virtually
All right. Let's check out the headers. Here.
Look a little rusty, guys, but
They do?
it's all good. No.
No, mama. I was about to return them. They're not polished, huh?
Nah.
I can't even see them from here. Can you see them from there?
Yeah, that's everything.
So what's
Alright.
next is I'm
Oh,
gonna
here
get
from the bottom.
aftermarket spark plug wires and also some newer spark plugs. Púchale.
Yeah, no.
Nah, lo cual, tú púchale. We just swapped the alternator because it was having problems. We have a 6-0 alternator, and then we're gonna do the spark plug wires. I'm not sure which ones we're gonna go with, but some ones that won't burn for sure. What else are we gonna do? We're gonna go E85 on it. E85. Puta
Ya yendo
madre.
por la tercera vez. Yo te estoy diciendo que ya no quiere.
¿Ya no quiere? E85 and then some, what else?
Tune?
A tune for sure, yeah. With some intake too. It came with an intake, but that shit was kind of chafa. But
Algo
here,
leve. Algo leve. He's not gonna do much to this truck.
No,
La quinta vez ya no quiere, güey.
show the bottom, no, the headers.
Oh, sí. A ver. A ver, perro.
You wanted to do it.
No, I didn't. Ese inútil
said
perro.
it.
Me voy a quemar aquí abajo. Can't even see shit. Ahí está, man. You can't see a lot.
No?
Nah.
So this truck is running on a, what is it, carbon exhaust, huh, you said? On a carbon exhaust with a dump to the floor, like that. But we did it like that because we kind of take it off-roading, so like, we don't want it to hit on the sides with the other exhaust and waste money for no reason, you know, but...
Shit is loud as fuck.
Mames. Okay, I don't know about this. Sounds too quiet.
Bro wants to go louder.
Alright, remember how I was pulling earlier? Does it feel faster? Or not?
I would say yeah.
A little bit, huh?
Yeah. Oh, mames.
But I remember the days we used to race out here in Mexico. There's a frontera here. I could definitely feel it a little more powerful because the tranny just kicked for the first time. You can do another YouTube. No mames.
Those wheels are swerving, gracias. I don't even know how the fuck to zoom, wait.
No mames, that shit won't zoom that fast. how it sounds inside, guys. This is on gear. Did it sit you on your ass, bro?
Hell yeah, this should push me back.
Pretty torquey, huh? For just some headers? Just kidding, guys. Headers are not gonna be doing that much of a difference.
You gotta tune it, way.
But I mean, no cats. I mean, we have cats.
No.
We have cats.
We don't. What are you talking
We're in
about?
Delhi. We have cats.
Shit loud as fuck, güey. Oh, fuck.
Güey, tiraste tus botes, güey.
Ajá. No, más bien los amarré allá atrás, güey.
Alright, we're back in the city, guys. We came back from Mexico. We can't be popping like that. Let's go, let's go. Hola, verga, pinche tráfico. And then if you just want to chill, just bump the music, you won't hear nothing.
Look good, güey.
Qué buenos tiempos cuando en el rancho se emocionaba el chapito y en llegar. Señorita chula, como usted no ninguna, esa te me las disculpas por tanto motivo.